Hello everyone, so I'm in Jodhpur and actually it's a girls trip and just because it's a long weekend, 15th August, so yeah, we are here. Anshu,
Hello.
Bhavna
Hi.
and Annie.
With the electron.
We are all ready to leave and our itinerary for today is Mehrangarh Fort, Navchokia, which is the blue city of Jodhpur, and lastly we will head towards Turji Ka Jhalra. Later we'll come back and then head towards the clock tower, which is Ghanta Ghar, which is actually very near to our place. So here in Jodhpur we are staying at Hinduja Haveli. So let's just get going. It's very much sunny outside. आज तो गए हम. We finally reached to the fort. It was huge, but we had to submit a camera at the gate because it wasn't allowed. And then we entered and had some food because we were so hungry and it was so steaming hot. From Mehrangarh Fort, we headed straight towards the Navchokia, which is the blue city corridor of Jodhpur. It was so pretty and unique on its own because every house of that area was literally blue and looking really good. बेहाल हो चुके हैं, एक झुमके के पीछे का स्टॉपर घूम चुका है. पसीने at its peak. We got back by 6 p.m. and now it's 8 p.m. and we're leaving for the clock tower, which is Ghanta Ghar, to like have traditional dinner and do a little shopping. So let's just get going. And by the way, that's my outfit for now and everyone is ready. ये सब डलेगा and let's just get going. Initially, we decided to have dinner near Ghanta Ghar, but it was so steaming hot and we wanted to like go to a good place. After a lot of Google searches, we finally found this one place which was near our place and also near Turji Ka Jhalra, which we wanted to see. And also it was 15th August, so there was everywhere this light setup for Tricolor. We finally got into a cute restaurant that we were looking for and it's actually very hot. And by the way, there's a show going on regarding Independence Day. We finally got into this really cute restaurant near Turji Ka Jhalra, which was also happened to be near our hotel. So yeah, let me show you. Let's see what we're gonna order. Really happy about this sudden trip plan. Yeah, by the way, the name of the restaurant is
It's open house.
okay. Yeah, we're just having a good time with our girls. तू भी बोल दे, तुझे भी मौका मिलेगा. What do you think about the place?
मुझे लग रहा है कि शायद मेरा बैंक अकाउंट खाली हो जाएगा.
क्या डिसाइड किए हैं?
इसलिए आए हैं हम यहाँ अपनी जेबें खाली करने.
Then it was the next morning and we headed straight towards Jaisalmer, which was again hotter than the sun itself. I don't know what we were smoking at that time when we decided to visit Jaisalmer during summer or this season even, but yeah, it is what it is. Now we are in Jaisalmer and the vibes are vibing because we're inside the car and the AC is in full boom. Yeah, finally we reached to our camp. So that's the setup of our camp, and it was very hot during the daytime, but then eventually, slowly and gradually during the evening it started pouring, and then the weather got really like moderate. It was so good during evening. Then later we got freshened up and headed straight towards our jeep safari to the Thar desert of Jaisalmer, which was very crowded, but yeah, we really had fun.
बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउडेड था है, बट हमारा सफारी वाले जीप का राइड तो बहुत ही फन था. Yes.
Then later in the evening we all got ready again, and then we sat for this traditional folk dance and song. We got so tired after coming to Jaisalmer. It was so melting hot. So I couldn't tell you guys that we have finally made it to Jaisalmer, but we are in Jaisalmer and we are having a lot of fun. We went for a jeep safari and also had a camel ride. I'm gonna show everything to you. And currently we are just having a great evening at this place. They're having a nice traditional dance and song, so it's such a good vibe here. Yes, but we are sweating like anything. That's where it's happening.
We're gonna go to have dinner.
Yeah. We just finished our dinner and we are having tea, and then after that we will go for stargazing in the middle of the desert. So far the night is going really good. It was just 4 of us and it was actually really dark throughout the way, and also especially in the middle of the desert because there was no light source. The only light that we could have was the jeep light and our flashlights. So I don't have much video about it, but I'm gonna show you pictures. Our journey has come to an end and we are finally leaving for Delhi again. So we are first heading towards Jodhpur, and then we have a bus for Delhi from Jodhpur, so we're gonna go that, and it's literally 5 in the morning and it's so dark outside and we are leaving for Jodhpur. Then later for our breakfast we stopped by this place named Gypsy, where we had South Indian after so long, and I think we just needed our comfort food, and South Indian happened to be that.
We're currently in Jodhpur. We've reached here by like half an hour ago, and then we not like 1 hour ago, and then we had our lunch at this really nice restaurant named Gypsy, and then we stopped by at this Ashapurna Mall because we had to our time before we board our bus back to Delhi. So yeah, we're just like having fun here and yeah, just talking.
That was it for this video. I hope you liked this vlog, and if you did like this video, do like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.